And we're live! Hello, Facebook! It's me again, Marianne. I'm actually tuned in as well, simultaneously on my TikTok here. Yes, and we are now with Hustle Diaries once again. For those who are new here, I am Marianne, originally from Manila, Philippines, and now based in Ontario, Canada. Wife, mom, full time employee, and someone who's learned that starting is exciting but staying consistent is the real challenge. Okay, so ito ang topic natin today. Start, stop, cycle. Ano kaya ang pagkakaintindi ko dyan, no? Nga po pala, may mga maririnig kayo, mga background sounds, maybe here and there. Kasi summer na po dito sa Canada, so medyo busy po ang lahat sa paglilinis ng front yard at aking mga bagets ay naglalag-saglit sa labas. So, pumasok muna po ako para mag-quick go live with you, okay? So, balik tayo sa topic natin. Start, stop, cycle. May tanong ko sa inyo, di ba? Palagi mo may tanong sa inyo eh. May nasimulan na ba kayo ng ilang beses pero hindi nyo natapos? Maybe exercising, reading books, saving money, learning a new skill, or maybe creating content. Excited tayo sa umpisa. Pansin nyo yun, bibili pa tayo ng mga kailangan, di ba? Like mga gadgets, yan, magpa-plan pa tayo, tapos sasabihin natin, this time, tuloy-tuloy na talaga. Pero after a few days, busy, pagod, nawala ng gana. Hanggang sa unti-unti na lang tayong tumitigil. Sounds familiar ba? Ako maraming beses na nangyari sa akin yan. I had seasons, right? And here's what I realized. Starting isn't the hard part. Continuing is. Kasi minsan akala natin motivation ang kailangan, pero yung totoo, ang kailangan natin yung system, yung routine, yung schedule. And that's something that helps us keep going kahit wala na tayong gana, di ba? Because motivation fades. But systems keep us moving. And I've learned that it's okay to start small, yes. You don't have to read one whole book. Siguro mga one chapter lang muna at a time, di ba? You don't have to work out for an hour. Start with 10 minutes. Ako, kakastart ko actually medyo mahirap yung sa akin kasi parang machine siya. Nag-start ako ng 3 minutes. Pagod na ang lola nyo. Pero at least nag-start, di ba? You don't have to be perfect. You just have to avoid quitting every time life gets busy. Because every time we stop, we also reset our momentum. But every time we continue, even with small steps, we build confidence. We build discipline. And we prove to ourselves that we can finish what we started. 'Di ba? So, itong aking ending na question para sa inyo. Ano yung isang bagay na ilang beses nyo nang simulan, pero hindi pa rin kayo, hindi pa rin nasusustain? More importantly, what can you change this time around so you don't end up in the same start-stop cycle? Kasi remember, progress doesn't come from starting over again and again. It comes from staying consistent even when it's not exciting anymore. Yon! So thank you for spending a few minutes with me here on Hustle Diaries with Marianne. And remember, also with TikTok you listen, remember small, consistent actions will always beat big bursts of motivation. Take care, keep going, and I'll see you for our day 32. Bye! Bye, Facebook!